Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. I know it's a holiday, but we would like to thank all of you for being with us this afternoon as we celebrate this Eucharistic celebration. We would like to welcome the pilgrims and the faithful who came over here. Kanina pa pong umaga tayo nagwe-welcome ng mga pilgrims all over. Kanina po I met some pilgrims from Nueva Segovia. I have my relatives here from the US. And to you, my dear brothers and sisters, a warm welcome from us here at the Manila Cathedral. Palakpakan po natin ang bawat isa. Saint Mark described the first scene of the healing of the deaf man by saying, "And people brought to him a deaf man who had a speech impediment." People brought to him a deaf man. This is somewhat a common theme, a common experience in the healing ministry of Jesus. Dahil may ilan po siyang pinagaling na dinala ng madaming tao palapit sa Kanya. It is good to take note of this, my dear brothers and sisters. The desire for the healing of this deaf man was not only a single person's desire. It was almost the desire of everyone around him. Siguro, hindi lang yung kamag-anak niya ang may gusto. Hindi lang mga kaibigan niya ang may gusto na mapagaling siya. Marahil, buong bayan gusto siyang maging mabuti. This story comes to us both as a challenge and a temptation. I wish to begin with the temptation. It is good that we are stable. We have enough. We have what we got. But having too much may lead us into saying, okay naman ako, bakit ako mangingialam sa buhay ng may buhay? Okay naman ako, why will I care for you? Okay naman ako, bakit kita ipagdadasal? Meron naman ako, bakit ako titingin kung ano ang gusto mo? It is not for us to close our doors to be concerned and caring even after being blessed. But because we were blessed or we are blessed, the more our eyes are opened and maybe our arms opened to what others are still longing for. And such is the challenge of the gospel. One's need, be it simple or a great one, may hopefully be everyone's desire. We beautifully express this when we celebrate the Mass. A while ago, we prayed, hindi lang po isang tao o dalawang tao ang may kailangan ng awa ng Diyos. In fact, we prayed a while ago, and to you, my dear brothers and sisters, to pray for me to the Lord our God. Nasabahan din natin sila na sama-sama po tayong humingi ng awa ng Diyos. Later on, when we present our needs during the prayer of the faithful, we do not say, Lord, hear me. Lord, hear my prayer. But we say, Lord, hear our prayer. We stand and present ourselves to the Lord with the needs of each other by saying, hear our prayer. We are here to stand with this needy person. We are also here to ask you to heal my very self. We are here to stand before you and ask you to make us well, happy, healthy, and beautiful. Let us not simply walk together, my dear brothers and sisters, but let us also desire the best for each other. Kung tutuusin, full load yung pagmamahal at suporta ng deaf man sa ating mabuting balita. Dahil hindi lang siya sinamahan palapit kay Jesus. Yung mga kasama niya, gusto din na maging mabuti siya at makakita siya at mabuhay siya ng malaya. Let our being blessed not make us numb over desiring the good others would like to get as well. But because we are blessed, we desire everyone's blessed life as well.